Hello dear viewers, I hope you guys are doing well. So today this video is about my visit to Deira near to Juman. So I am on my way to Juman. I was with my parents, so we went Abra in Juman. I have taken boat ride to Deira market from Abra, uh, and it costed us around 1 dirham for each person. See that there is one side is Deira market and another side is Barjuman, Abra. All the traditional boats and ships were there. It was the only mode of transferring people from this side to the another side. This view was very good, very peaceful, and it was insanely, beautiful. I must say, this was the beautiful part of my Saturday evening, and the ride was quite short, but it was good. You will notice in this clip that the sea video is very long, a bit long I will say, but I couldn't make it short because it was very beautiful. I don't wanted to make it short, and I wanted to show you all the its beauty. You can see the market begins, and it was a good crowd. There were so many peoples. Everywhere you will find spices and masalas and other herbs. So my mom was asking here the shopkeeper about the masalas and Ayurvedic jari booties, and she also told me to speak Hindi in my videos, so I'll be doing that very soon. And here you can also find multiple grade of saffrons and other medicinal and herbs. You can see in this video they were so beautiful, colorful, and curing the allergies and decorative items. There was also hanging Arabian lamps, design lamps, genie lamps, showpieces, handcrafted utensils for decorations, and it shows the heritage of Dubai and its traditions. It's the only temple in UAE, and here one side there is a mosque and another side there is a temple also, Krishna, Shiva and Hanuman temple. Was the outside scene of the temple, and the videography was not allowed inside the temple, so I have taken from outside. And there were tulsi plants and other puja samagris you can find here. So here we were looking to the Bazar crowd and the streets of Meena Bazar, and there was too much jam also because it was Saturday night. After that, we went to a shop where we had so much of chocolates and nuts and too many kinds of masalas and perfumes and cosmetics were also there. So it was fun. They were asking us to try the chocolates and nuts. I purchased this perfume which smells great to me, and it was really very nice. And after 2 months, I had these snacks, Indian snacks. I really hope you like my video, a small mini vlog to Dera. And soon I will be sharing my second vlog of this trip. That will be the Gold Souq market. Like, share, subscribe, and comment below, and share also. Till then, good luck, take care, bye bye.